to a really exciting video. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're gonna learn to roller skate. I've got all the gear and absolutely no idea. I'm with Beth. Off she goes. We need to find a better car park because I fell over. I literally just I just rolled out the car. Ow, my white shorts. I can't do this with a camera, it's way too dangerous. That was so
oh my god, I'm smashing! Round of applause, very good. You haven't got your hand guards on though. Oh, you look so cute in your outfit.
oh my god!
Hey, you're talking about backwards, mate. Oh my god! Oh, I've fucking done it! Don't do that though.
Right. We're going to practice how to stop. Beth, can you demonstrate? Look at that toe action.
Right, now I've had it. So you start like this. You push, alright?
Whoa! That looked so good. That push off was like, that looked like speed. Like ice skating speed. Okay, I'm gonna
Get
try.
each other in big jump skating go. I don't want to hold your hand because I feel like we're gonna if you go, I'm gonna go. Oh,
Someone's gonna want us professional.
now have you practiced your pose? Like that. Yeah, our pose.
Should we do a routine?
Yeah. Is that we're gonna? Do you want me to teach you?
Do you want me to do it with you? No, you could. Yeah, keep going, keep going. You got it, sweetie. You're doing great. Yes. Get a best friend that bigs you up how I big Beth up and how she bigs me up. Come on. Yes! Look at the speed on you! We need a thumbnail like this. Right. I might take you with me, guys. Sorry, I don't get you. Siri, we don't want you.
I reckon easily
I think I've got the swing. You've got to have a little bit more of a bend in your leg. Yeah. Not that much. Not that much. Not that much of a bend.
What do you mean? Okay.
I mean like
No fear.
wait, our things no fear.
No fear. How are we going to do, eh?
I think I'm more running and you're more gliding.
Right, go.
Like,
That's what I mean. Why are you going so like, you're going so smooth and slow?
I think maybe needs to come here. Yeah. I was a skater girl. She said, see you later, boy.
He was again.
No, he's
He's a superstar. Slamming on his guitar. Shopping. Wait, we do. This is how you glide.
This I call the angel.
Oh, fuck. Do you? Oh. You're like a swan on water. Do you know what I mean? You've got socks on and you're just gliding around.
You're just sliding around wooden floor.
Yeah.
Do you want me to record? Go. I just got a very foolish way. Wait. Go. That is. I just realised I had something in between my teeth this whole time.
Oh, yummy. I'm too scared of Alicia.
Right, what should I do now? I feel like I should do some tricks.
Maybe backflip?
Oh my god. wait, try it. Yeah, no. Can't do it. So if anyone was wondering where our pro skates are from, these are all from Sports Direct. These skates are dirty.
That means you've worked hard.
They've got nothing upside down.
All the gear and no idea, literally.
Yeah, these are. Oh, I literally just thought because the screen was on me. These are No Fear because me and Beth have got No Fear, and the skates are, I don't know, but altogether it costs £35 from Sports Direct. What do you think about that, Beth?
It's a full-on workout, guys. I'm sweating. Go on, girl. Go on, the girl. Go on, the girl. Go on, the girl. Fellow skaters.
Are you getting undressed?
In a minute, I'm so tired now. Sorry. Cut that out. Cut.
Okay guys, I've got my gear on. Me and Beth have just come down to East Beach. Yeah, we've just come down to East Beach and we're gonna do some skating. Alright, so we actually scrapped where we were because the floor texture, it was just not it. It just was not it. And we're actually floor texture connoisseurs now, so this one I think you find, yeah, that feels great. So we're
gravel.
we're gonna just put our skates on now and get cracking. But this is where we are. It's really cute. All the beach huts are here. Very lovely. And here we go. Professionals at the seafront. Woohoo! We still can't do it properly. The most we can do is like one skate, woo!
We still just need to get them balls right.
This is when you know you can skate. That's when you know you're professional. I can skate one way, but the other way, it's just a bit much. I'm going for it again. It's actually quite... Ah! Nearly went backwards. It's actually really nice. It's the fact that I'm holding my camera. It's really scary. I know. Oh, it's a first skater. Scattered it. Going up to the Blue Beer. This is a triathlon apparently. I don't think she knows what that means. No, stopping! You can't stop! You can't stop! You can't stop! We just need to get our confidence up. You got it! We have to take turns because our shoes are here, because we have to park across the road and there was no way that we could park across the road and skate across it. That just wasn't an option. So yeah, this is us, right? Yes, girl!
That was so good.
Right, here we go, the moment we've been building up for. Wait, no, babe, you've got to go behind.
Right, you need to stop.
Oh. Ready?
Right, I need to get on your side.
No, you're fine there.
Oh, that was
The moment we've wanted. Woohoo, we did it! We did it! And here we go, gang. We're skating at the seafront. Da, 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 da. And I'm having to carry all the bags. Because Beth apparently can't. Beth can't skate with a bag on, and I'm a pro, so. Right, guys, I'm gonna end the video on a plus with me skating at the seafront in the sun doing it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll love and leave you. Please, if you did enjoy, then don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. And 70% of you aren't subscribed to my videos, which is actually appalling. Come on, guys, you're watching my videos but you won't hit that one button. Please do it. It helps me out so much, and it honestly would just mean the world to me. But yeah, I'll see you very shortly for another video, and thank you so much for watching. Love you so much, and this is me now. See you later. Hello everybody. We just found this great car park. Absolutely great car park. The floor is tremendous, and you know what that means. It's skating time. Late night skating. Oh my god, I feel so thrown off.
Oh, like a pro. Oh, is that a little turn, is it?
Yeah, I know. I thought we knew stop it and just go in the circle. I'm sweating.
It's a bit warm. It's a bit warm. I love skating on warm.
It's a bit warm.
Oh, it's so warm.
Skating warm, you wouldn't know.
It's actually our skating room. I feel like I have my knee on.
No, you
I don't think we can go at the same time. I think it froze us off.
Oh, I see ya.
Are we oh, we're turning. Oh. That's my favourite thing ever.
Yeah, she's on relay. Oh god. Smashed it. Oh, what dance do you reckon we could do?
How's your wavy hair today? Have one roll, wave hair and Jack jerks. Tremendous.
Do you know what I think we should do?
What?
I think we should go over here and go round and up. swerved round the corner.
But did you plan it like in time?
No, I just pushed. Yeah, I went like this and I went, I was like, my watch is stuck.
You got stuck to my
Magnet.
Oh. Right, so how did you just do that?
You just got to not stop skating. Like, don't glide too much, just skate through it.
Yes!
Skater girls.
We can go round corners. Yes, girl. Woohoo! That was good. That was successful.
Right, next task. What should we do?
You go first because you.
Right, we're going on a mission.
Oh, beautiful.
Right, here we go. Go. And she's off. Don't stop. Don't stop, you've stopped. Carry on. That's the bit that's tricky, you gotta carry on. You're doing great, sweetie. Home stretch. Here she comes.
I'm messy.